Welcome to Genius Glimpse. Today we are going to talk about the best jobs for creative introverts. If you prefer deep thought and creative expression in a quiet environment, this video is for you. Like Bill Gates and Albert Einstein, many introverts excel in solitude, turning inward to unleash a world of innovation. Yet, finding the right career can be challenging. Common pain points include overwhelming social interaction and understimulation in less creative roles. Before we move forward, please subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Now, let's dive into the top careers tailored for you. Writer, author. With an average income of $63,000, writing allows you to express complex ideas and stories. Graphic designer. Earn around $52,000 annually by transforming ideas into visual stories. Software developer. Solve puzzles in code with a potential income of $105,000. Artist, illustrator. Bring visions to life, earning approximately $49,000 per year. Musician, composer. Compose your world with earnings depending on your gigs and contracts. Here are pro tips to thrive. Seek environments that value autonomy. Regularly update your portfolio to showcase your creativity. Connect with other introverts in your field for support and networking. How to overcome common challenges. Set clear boundaries for work and social interaction. Choose roles with flexible or remote work options. Engage in continuous learning to stay inspired. Start your journey today by exploring these fields, and remember, like Bill Gates and Albert Einstein, your unique perspective is your greatest asset. For more information, visit the following resources. LinkedIn Learning. There are many courses on various creative careers. Coursera have specializations in creative fields. Creative live classes are taught by industry experts. Embrace your introverted creativity and innovate your path. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.